In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Kotak Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in kotak.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of the Kotak Bank. Now in order to log into your account, just click on the login button at the top right corner, and this will take you into the login portal. Now click on the drop-down menu to select your appropriate login, and then you can simply enter your CRN, your username, or your card number. After typing it in, just go ahead and type the code that is shown in the image. Make sure to type it in correct because it might be case sensitive, and after doing so, click on the next button. You will now be asked to enter your password. Just go ahead and type in your password, and then click on the secure login button, and you will be logged into your account with Kotak Bank. In case you forgot your login credentials, you can click on the Need Help button from the first page, and you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Kotak Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.